Hello, my lovely people. Love, peace, and power to every single one of you. There's two things I want to talk about today. First of all, what is the devil? And secondly, why does the devil exist? Now, the devil is none other than your lower nature. Impulses, desires, frustration, rage, anger, the insecurities that make you project that onto other people, the inability to have patience and wait. All of this is the constituency of the devil. And what's so amazing about it is it exists within every single one of us. The illusion is that the devil makes us do things. What's so funny is that it's us that make those decisions, which shows that if we have choice, how can the devil make us do something? So, first of all, realize that the devil is within you. Yeah, it's the lower aspects of yourself, and it can always be overcome. The devil can always be overcome. How? Love, light, peace, wisdom, patience, understanding, forgiveness. That's the work of God. Now, secondly, why does the devil exist? Yeah, the devil exists for you to realize the intrinsic power that you've always had to make the right choice. That's why the devil exists. The devil is your own personal enemy that we all have down here for you to choose right over wrong, for you to transmute that which is undesirable into that which is worthy. Yeah? God has no enemies. God is perfect. That which is perfect is finished. The reason why you're living a life down here is because we need challenge. We need trials and tribulations. We need to realize that goodness exists. If there was no bad, if there was no darkness, if there was just light, imagine if you could just win $1 billion every single day of your life, beat Usain Bolt's record, and keep beating that every single day, get anything that you desire. What would be the point of life? Yeah, so when you're in moments of pain or moments of uncertainty or the unknown, be happy, because that which goes down must come up. Be happy that God has given you challenge. Understand that you can find power within yourself. Understand that if life was easy, you wouldn't value anything good to you. Don't hate the illusion of the devil. Don't hate the influences. Look to the power within you. When you find yourself in those situations where it's total torment from influence, desire, that's when you know that you have the power of choice. Yeah? Love, peace, power, and wisdom to all of you.